AI-powered resume analyzer and interview coach done by Group 3. Thank you for joining me today. In a job market where every role attracts over 100 applicants, standing out is not just difficult, it's essential. Today, I'm excited to show you a system we've developed that uses AI to give job seekers a real edge. It analyzes resumes, personalizes interview questions, and even evaluates responses, all in one integrated platform. Let's begin with the why behind the project. Our main mission is, you might be surprised to hear this, but 75% of resumes never make it past applicant tracking systems. Only 20% of candidates make it past interviews to receive an offer. Even with tools out there for resume building or interview prep, they're mostly template-based or generic. They don't talk to each other and they don't talk to you. That's the problem we set out to solve. What if your resume and interview prep were driven by your target job description, down to the very last keyword? Our platform offers two smart modules. The resume analyzer, which uses AI to match your resume against the job post and tells you exactly what to improve, and the interview coach, which crafts personalized interview questions and gives feedback on your answers, simulating real-world scenarios. Let's now take a closer look at how our system improves on current solutions in the market. First, most resume tools rely on static templates or generic keyword matching. These one-size-fits-all solutions don't adapt to individual job descriptions or applicant strengths. In contrast, our system uses natural language processing and machine learning to deliver personalized feedback based on the actual content of a resume and its alignment with specific job requirements. This allows us to identify not just what's missing, but why it matters and how to fix it. Secondly, many existing platforms are isolated in function. You might find one tool for resume editing and a completely separate one for mock interviews. There's no shared context between them. Our system changes that by offering an integrated platform. It uses the same job description to drive both resume analysis and interview preparation, ensuring consistent and relevant guidance across the entire application process. Finally, where traditional platforms provide generic advice like be confident or use action verbs, we focus on tailored coaching. Our system generates role-specific interview questions and evaluates responses with precision, providing actionable, targeted feedback tied directly to the job you're applying for. Altogether, these innovations ensure that users are not only better prepared, they're better aligned with employer expectations from the very beginning. To ensure the effectiveness and accuracy of our system, we've developed a robust evaluation framework that focuses on both resume analysis and interview preparation. First, for resume matching accuracy, we use standard performance metrics such as precision, recall, and the F1 score. These metrics allow us to measure how well the system identifies relevant resume elements that match the job description. Precision ensures the suggestions we make are relevant and actionable, while recall ensures that we catch as many important matches as possible. We combine these into the F1 score, which gives us an overall performance metric. Additionally, we leverage confusion matrices to analyze specific error patterns like false positives or false negatives, helping us fine-tune our model over time. Second, for evaluating interview responses, we employ NLP-driven assessment on key dimensions such as relevance, clarity, and completeness. Our system goes beyond simple keyword matching by examining the content in depth, ensuring that candidates' answer truly address the question in a way that aligns with the job requirements. We also assess human-AI agreement, which measures how closely the feedback we generate matches what an experienced human interview would provide. This ensures our AI feedback is not just useful, but also credible and practical. Finally, we measure success from a user-centered perspective by tracking system usability scale scores, which help us assess the ease of use of our platform, and Net Promoter Score, which gauges user satisfaction and likelihood of recommending our tool. Moreover, we track tangible job success indicators, including ATS, pass rates, and the ultimate goal, job offers. These metrics give us a clear understanding of how well our system is helping users land their desired positions. Let's explore how Gemini powers the resume analysis in this tool. Dynamic prompting. Gemini tailors its prompts based on the job description and career level, whether entry-level, executive, or technical, to provide relevant feedback for each user. Feedback criteria. It evaluates resumes on formatting, keyword match, achievements, ATS compatibility, and provides actionable suggestions for improvement, ensuring your resume aligns with industry standards. Control generation. Gemini's output is fine-tuned with controlled settings, low temperature, top P, and token limits, ensuring clear, focused, and concise feedback that's easy to understand and implement. In short, Gemini adapts to your needs and delivers detailed, actionable insights for enhancing your resume. Let's now dive into the code architecture behind our system, which integrates several key technologies to ensure smooth functionality and effective feedback generation. First, the environment setup utilizes .NET to secure load API keys and configuration variables. This ensures that all sensitive information, such as API keys for external services, remains private and easily configurable. We also configure Gemini AI with Streamlit, which is a powerful tool for building interactive web applications. This setup allows us to efficiently deploy the platform, ensuring the AI functionalities are accessible and scalable in a user-friendly interface. Next, our file parsing functions are crucial to ensuring that we can handle different document formats. We use pt1 to extract content from PDF files, Python docx for docx documents, and standard files IO for txt files. These functions parse the uploaded resumes and extract the necessary text data for analysis, making sure the system can work with the most common file types job seekers use. Finally, at the core of our system is the Gemini-powered analysis. This part of the system is responsible for processing resumes and generating feedback. The AI uses custom prompts tailored to the specific job description and career level. These prompts guide the AI to generate highly relevant and personalized feedback based on the role of the user it's applying for. This ensures the AI-driven suggestions and evaluations are aligned with the specific job requirements, providing the user with actionable insights. We have dynamic prompting, which tailors the prompts to the user's unique situation. The system adjusts the analysis based on job descriptions and career levels. Whether you're applying for an entry-level position, an executive role, or a highly technical job, this customization ensures the feedback is highly relevant and aligns with the expectations of employers in different sectors and roles. Next, the system evaluates resumes based on several feedback criteria. It looks at the formatting, ensuring that resume is clean and professional. It also checks for keyword matches, verifying that essential skills and experiences are highlighted in alignment with the job description. The system goes further by analyzing the achievements listed on the resume, making sure they are impactful and relevant to the job. Additionally, it assesses ATS compatibility and essential features, since most companies use applicant tracking systems to screen resumes before they even reach human recruiters. Finally, the system provides recommendations for improving, guiding users on how to better align their resumes with the job role. Lastly, the controlled generation of feedback is another powerful feature. We fine-tune the AI's responses using parameters like temperature, top P, and token limits to ensure the feedback is clear, concise, and complete. This fine-tuning helps to maintain the right balance between creativity and accuracy, ensuring that users get actionable advice that is both informative and easy to understand. Together, these components make the resume analysis highly personalized, data-driven, and aimed at improving your chances of landing the job. That's